Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you an overview of the diary screen. Having a paperless diary system allows the user to easily and efficiently manage the practice and patient's time. Records of all bookings, transactions, cancellations, out of office time, as well as tasks can be tracked by means of the diary time slots. Let us start with the navigation bar. Please note that the navigation bar layout may change depending on the setup of the practice. Therefore, not all the tabs will be discussed. The user is able to navigate through the GoodX system by clicking on the navigation wheel to gain access of various modules. For more information on the navigation wheel, please refer to the navigation wheel user manual, linked in this video's description. Clicking on the Diary tab will navigate the user to the main diary screen of the current diary. The user is able to quickly switch between a list of available entities by clicking on the Entity drop-down menu. The name of the current logged-in user will be displayed on the navigation bar. Diary settings can be changed by clicking on the Settings button. For more information regarding the settings screen, please refer to the Diary Settings user manual, linked in this video's description. App information, medical aid contracts, user manual access, change logs, service availability, and usage evaluations can all be found by clicking on the About button. The user is able to log out of the GoodX system by clicking on the Logout button. Next, we will go over the action bar below the navigation bar. The diary drop-down contains all of the various diaries belonging to each entity that has been set up for the practice. Click on the Display Options drop-down menu if the user would like to customize what is displayed on the diary. Whether the user would like to show or hide tasks, as well as show or hide deleted bookings, various options are available to choose from. For a more in-depth explanation of the display options, please refer to the Display Options user manual linked in this video's description. The user can perform a basic search of the diary by using the Filter Bookings search bar. A debtor or patient's name, surname, ID number, or medical aid information can be used to perform the search. By clicking on either the previous or next buttons, the user is taken either one day backwards or one day forwards. The user is also able to change the date of the diary by clicking on the date in between the previous and next buttons. A date picker will open where the user is able to change the day, month, and year in only a few clicks. If the user has navigated to a different date on the diary and would like to return to the current date, the user is able to simply click on the Now button. The user will be returned to the current date and time. Click on the Refresh button if the user would like to refresh the current diary. Click on the Diary Types drop-down menu if the user would like to change the layout of the diary to either a single diary view, multiple day diary view, multi-diary view, or an audit diary view. For more information regarding the various diary types available, please refer to the Diary Types user manual, linked in this video's description. The Render Status Policies drop-down menu gives an additional different view of the diary, such as time slot overlap, time slot stacked, stacked by time, stacked type, as well as stacked by status. For more information regarding render policies, please refer to the different diary views Render Policies user manual, linked in this video's description. If the user needs to search for a procedure, medicine, or ICD-10 code, click on the ellipse button to open the Code Lookup menu. For more information regarding Code Lookup, please refer to the Code Lookup user manual, linked in this video's description. To print or download the diary, the user can click on the Printer button. For more information regarding printing or downloading a diary, please refer to the Print Download Diary user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Search for a Debtor button to search for any bookings throughout all diaries. For more information on how to search for a debtor, please refer to the Debtor Search user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Available Bookings button to have quick access to all available bookings on the diaries for a specific date. For more information regarding the Available Bookings button, please refer to the Available Bookings screen user manual, linked in this video's description. The user is able to make a new booking by clicking on the New Booking button. For more information on how to make a new booking, please refer to the Book New Patient user manual linked in this video's description. Select the desired booking to access the diary sidebar. The diary sidebar gives the user access to additional options such as clinical history, patient dashboard, and various other choices. For an extensive explanation regarding the diary sidebar, please refer to the diary sidebar functionality user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we will go over booking information. The time slot is the time that a booking will take place. Please note that the booking time slots are customizable to the needs of the practice. For more information on how to change time slot intervals, please refer to the Day Setup user manual linked in this video's description. The booking type and booking status will be indicated on the booking time slot. Debtor number is a unique number that identifies a debtor's account number. File number is a number used to refer back to the hard copy file if available. Booking location indicates where the patient can be found in the practice when multiple consultation and procedure rooms are available. Patient title, name, surname, cell phone number, and age is shown on the booking. The treating doctor is a practitioner that is going to be handling the patient. Booking icons are able to assist the user with determining the status of the patient. Hover over the booking icons to see what each booking icon means. For more information regarding the booking icons, please refer to the Booking Icons Explained user manual linked in this video's description.